Hi guys, today I'm going to give you my top tips for flawless makeup every single time. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure your foundation actually matches you, and if it doesn't you need to colour correct. I do have a separate video on it, but if it's too warm, add a bit of blue. If it seems a bit grey on you, add green. And this is only £4 from e.l.f. It's like a little concealer wand. You just need the tiniest bit and it will just make such a big difference. Or if you find that you may be adding a bit of bronzer, you're adding all these things, you're adding lots of warmth to your face and it makes your foundation looks too dark, maybe you can neutralise it first before you add back in that warmth. So it's always just good to have a colour corrector to hand, and it's affordable as well. Tip is to add back dimension to your eyes. Bring focus back to your eyes. Not all of us like wearing a winged liner, and not all of us want to do a winged liner every single day, but what I like to do is, and this has been a trick that I've done since the start of time that I've been wearing makeup, is take a waterproof eyeliner. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Infinite Waterproof Eyeliner. And it's just a twist up, so that way I don't have to worry about sharpening it. Put it on my upper waterline, look up and I apply it, and I stop it just before my inner corner. And it helps to basically, you know when you wear false eyelashes, you got that black band and it adds dimension to your eye. This does that. It's a really odd makeup trick. I think a lot of people have forgotten about it, but honestly makes a difference. And the great thing about this Estee Lauder one, it has a sharpener as well, just in case. Next one is for creases under your eyes or on your eyelid. If you put setting powder right on top of it, you are setting those creases. So what you want to do is blend it out with your finger, spray your setting spray, wait for it to dry, then set it. This will truly make a difference, and it'll be the same for under your eyes as well. This one is harmony. Harmony in makeup can just really pull a makeup look together. If you have an eyeshadow that has no colours with the rest of your makeup, it just looks out of place. If your blusher is cool toned and your lipstick is warm toned, it will just look out of place. So what I like to do is buy lipsticks. I take the lipstick, put it on my lips obviously, and then I take it and just apply it on my cheeks as a blusher. And depending on the formulation, I might need to put it on my hand first and then dab it with a sponge. But having the same colour on your cheeks and lips really does make a difference. However, this is down to what colour you're wearing. If you are wearing a red or a bright colour, all what you need to do is apply the lipstick in your palm as opposed to the back of your hand so you can move it, and then just add a bit of your foundation and it will just lighten it a little bit, and then you can use that as like a cream blush on your cheeks so that way it matches your lips without looking too intense. Prime your brushes. Whenever you're taking a powder product, pick it up with your brush and buff it into the brush first, into the palm of your hand before you apply it on. Because if you pick it up in the palette and then put it straight on your cheeks, you're going to have all that pigment in one area and it's going to be harder to blend, and you might end up having some patchiness as well. So it's just much easier to make sure everything's equally distributed on the brush, and when you apply it, go in little circular motions. Another tip is, if you want to have a curated makeup collection instead of having lots of different products, when it comes to buying a foundation, buy a medium coverage or a full coverage foundation. Don't bother with skin tints or a light coverage foundation, because with a full coverage or medium coverage you can sheer it out however way you want and it won't look cakey. And if you want the full coverage, you have that option. To sheer it out, you can mix in a milky toner, or you can put a moisturizer if you want it to be a tinted moisturizer, or you can use a stippling brush. As you can see, it is dense and it has a flat top. Use a brush like this, apply the product, and then it will help you distribute it evenly on your face with minimal product, and that will allow you to control coverage without having multiple products. Hope this has helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.